How to add Cash App to TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your Cash App to your TikTok bio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Cash App. Then tap on your profile in the top right corner here. Then from here tap on this arrow, share arrow. Then here tap on copy hashtag link. And now once you have copied your hashtag link, open your TikTok app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner here. Then here tap on edit profile. Then here you will see TikTok bio. Tap on it. If you have a link in your bio, delete that. I'm going to delete my old link and then here paste the Cash App link we just copied. Then tap on save in the top right corner and the Cash App link will be added to your TikTok bio. So this is how you can add Cash App link. Thanks for watching.